Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is mechanical efficiency? And what does it mean when a hydraulic turbine achieves 100% mechanical efficiency? So mechanical efficiency is energy output over energy input. When you convert the fluid energy to mechanical work, there is no losses, so all of the fluid energy is transformed into mechanical work. So here's the wordy explanation. Mechanical efficiency refers to how efficiently a system converts input mechanical energy into useful output. If a hydraulic turbine were to reach 100% mechanical efficiency, it would mean all the mechanical energy from the flowing fluid is fully transformed into rotational shaft energy without any losses. Alright, so before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search. Type in snipping tool. Open the program. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.